Hello and welcome to Blame It on the Dog. Today's experiments dealing with indo and exothermic reactions. Our first example of endothermic reaction is we have a thing of baking soda and some vinegar. Now we all do the classic baking soda volcano for our 4th grade science fair project. And that's technically what happens is the baking soda is reacting with the acid in the vinegar. I can't talk today. And it actually causes a drop in temperature, which I find pretty interesting. Now what I have here is showing that the temperature is dropping. I sped this up a lot though, so I wouldn't bore you with the bore you with the actual real time. Yes. It's dropping. It's dropping. The temperature is dropping. Dropping. The temperature is dropping. I am tapping on the table and my microphone can feel it. Temperature is dropping like it's hot. Drop it. Drop it like it's hot. But it is losing heat. Now the endothermic reaction actually means losing heat. Sorry that I went on a little crazy bit there. But endothermic comes from Latin, which endo means suck in, and thermic meaning heat. So it's pretty much sucking in all the heat around it, pretty much. Now, the second experiment that I'm doing involves cold pack, one of those instant cold packs with ammonium nitrate in it. Now, ammonium nitrate, if you mix it with water, it gets really cold really quickly, which is also another endothermic reaction. And there is also a cool experiment which you can do with the ammonium nitrate in water by itself, which I might be able to show you at a later date. Now, you can tell by the film here that it's dropping really rapidly. Very rapidly, actually. This is dropping. Sorry, I won't do this again. But it is dropping. Quite a lot, actually. Let's just keep watching it drop. I'll get back to you in a second. Hello, now we can tell that the ammonium nitrate and water mixture by itself is causing a significant drop in air temperature around the cold pack itself. Now we're going to get into exothermic reactions. And exothermic means releasing heat. So what we have here is some driveway salt and some baking soda. Now I'm adding the baking soda in here first, and that's just to show you that the baking soda by itself drops the temperature significantly. And the next thing I'm going to add the driveway salt, also known as calcium chloride, into the mix. And what calcium chloride does, it raises the temperature back up to its original or higher than its original temperature. Now I have 25 grams of calcium chloride in this cup here. Now I'm going to add this to the water in baking soda solution. And the reaction that we're seeing after I mix it up a little bit is that it's kind of like the well, let me just show you instead of me talking. You can see it's bubbling a little. Now let's mix it up. Now that the calcium chloride is mixed fully with the baking soda and water solution, that it raises all the way up to the top of the beaker, just like the vinegar experiment. And you can also tell by the thermometer that is raising the temperature significantly. Now, this is actually pretty interesting. The first time I did this by myself, I got the foamy solution all over the table that I was working on, and my dad was kind of pissed. So, now we're going into the second experiment of exothermic reaction. What we have here is like one of those hot hands that you take on the campouts in cold weather situations. And what's in there is a bunch of chemicals, well actually a couple of chemicals that react with oxygen that causes it to heat up significantly. Like the package promises like 160 degrees on it. I only brought this up to like 100 degrees though, so I wouldn't bore you. But still, it's actually pretty interesting how these work and stuff like that. Now, I did want to open these, but I wasn't allowed to because, well, I wasn't. And just these reactions by themselves are actually pretty interesting, which I find to be interesting. You don't have to, but I do. And then, well, now I'll be showing you the temperature being risen and stuff like that. So, yeah, here's my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Rate, comment, and subscribe if you feel so kind in doing so. Now you can really see that the temperature is raising a lot now. It gets up to like 100, then I kind of like stop the feed. Well, I didn't stop it. My camera actually died. But you get the point that the chemicals in there react with the oxygen in the atmosphere and causes the temperature to rise in the hot pack, sorry, brain fart. But yeah.